Hello guys, this is Vijay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be seeing more variations in for loop. In the previous videos, we have seen a basic for loop and how it works with a list. And also we have seen variations in while loop. So without getting any delay, let's get started. So let me open the previous file called cat.py using the command code space cat.py. This will open up the file in our VS Code to start writing our code. So this is the previous code of while loop we have used in our previous video. I am removing it from this file and just remembering you the basic for loop how we have written in the first video. So this is the way we will be iterating over the list using for loop, and just print out the cat sound. So this is how a for loop can be used. Instead of writing this 1, 2, 3 as a list continuously, we can use a function to generate this kind of list using range function. So this is how what we have seen in the previous video. So here I is used to iterate over the list of numbers in for loop. So this I is never used again after this for loop. So we can indicate this variable name as underscore, single underscore, when we are not using it in other positions. So this is how we can write a for loop. Basically, when we are not going to use the iterator variable again. So this will print the same way, the 3 times same way as the previous program. So let me run this code from the terminal by writing the command python cat.py. So cat.py. So this will be outputting the same result for us by writing different variation of the program. And now we will be seeing without using any for loop how can we print the statement multiple times. How it is possible, let me show you the way how it is possible. Print there is a statement like this, cat sound. So I want to print it 10 times without using a for loop. Python provides us more ways to print these kinds of iterations by writing simply into 3 or into 10. So this way we will be getting 10 times the output of same statement in our code. So let us try running this code by writing the command python cat.py. So you can see that the same cat sound has been printed over 10 times side by side. That means here end parameter is being explicitly end parameter is being modified without \n. If we want it in the new line, then we can mention specially end parameter as \n. Not here, but we can mention it here, so that each string will be printed in the new line. So let us run this code once and check whether it is working or not. So you can see a cat sound has been printed on the screen in 10 times in new line. So this is the way how a without using a for loop can be written. We can generate the same output multiple times. So we will now see how to improve the user input using a statement, while loop. Improving the user input by writing this kind of while loop is very useful to take value positively. So here I want to take a positive integer from the user. Uh, if he gives a negative integer in as the input, then we are going to ignore that case in program. So I am writing like this way: input what's n question mark and space, and this one will give this one will ask the user what is the value of n. If we try to input n value as negative number, then we are further going to ask again. So we will continue to ask the loop, we will continue to ask again the input. Otherwise, we will break out of the loop. So what here it is going to do is, when we give a negative integer, it is going to ask again and again the user. When we are going to give the positive number, then the loop breaks out and stops the program. So this way we can validate the user input and improve our program for taking a positive integers in the program. And next we will see, let me run this code for you to understand better. So I am running it with a negative number, python cat.py. What is n? I am writing some negative number here, -4. So it will be asking again for the user. So when we give a positive number, the loop breaks out and just stops the program. So this is how a positive number can be taken by validating the user input. So now we will see mainly different kinds of loops again, like we can print out a cat sound multiple times using this positive validated number. So after validating this number, we can use this n value for underscore in range of n, print the cat sound. So this way we can print out a positive number of times the cat sound. We can validate and then print the statement. So let me run this code for you. I am giving a positive integer like 5, and this will print out 5 times the cat sound. This is how a validation can be done in our program. If you can see, I am giving a negative input as -5, then it will ignore and ask again the user. This is called validation. So then uh, that's it, guys. Hope you understand while loop and for loops in a better way, and thanks for watching.